Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll learn pace special. Here in this example, we have students scoring marks in Kannada, English, Maths in first semester and second semester. Okay, we need to know the total first semester plus second semester. Without entering into a different column, we want it right here, the total. How to do it? So what we'll do, we'll select these marks, first semester marks, and copy and bring the cursor here in second semester, that is G4. Copy this and bring it to the 4. Here we'll say Alt ES to get this paste special screen. Here is, if you see the operations, under operations you have add. So we'll select add and say enter. Okay. See, now it has added the first semester and second semester. So these are the total marks for both the semester. This is how you can do to add. This is add. Now we'll go to another, subtract. Now here, similar case, but here we have total marks and here we have first semester marks. We don't know how much they got in second semester. So I want to know how much they got, each of them got in the second semester. So we need to minus from total marks first semester. Okay. So I'll just say select this, copy, and here bring paste special Alt E. Yes. Here we'll say subtract and say okay. See, it got subtracted from the total. So total it got subtracted whatever we have copied. So these are the marks obtained in second semester. That's how you can use subtract, space special subtract. Okay, we'll go to the next, multiply. Here in next example, we have this salesperson and the sales what they have done. A number of units they have sold, TV, fridge, AC, and the commission for, yeah, each of the TVs, fridge, AC they have. So for each TV sold, they will get commission of 2000, fridge 1500, AC 3000. Now here are the number of ACs, a TV, fridge, AC sold. We have the monthly sales and then the commission rate, but we need to know how much commission would each would get. So to find, we need to multiply this. So similar way, we'll copy this here, all the years, we get this, and here multiply. And when you enter each one, how much commission they will be getting. Yeah. Now we'll take another example for multiply. Here, water consumption bill, they're given in kiloliters. 1.75, 1.94, 1.33, and so on. But we want in liters. How much is this liter? First, let us copy the entire thing. and paste it here. We'll remove the kiloliters. Here we'll write this. Okay, no need to remove. Okay. Here we'll write 1000. We'll copy this and here paste special because 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. So Alt ES, I say multiply. So what it will do, it will multiply with 1000. So we got the units in 1000. Yeah. Here we'll see division. Now you have this amount, commission amount of the salesperson, and this commission for per set, per TV set, per fridge, per AC. So you want to know how many TVs, how many fridge they have sold. So copy, and here bring the pay special screen and say divide, and you get the units sold. Yeah. Here we'll copy. We're given in liters. We need to find in kiloliters. We'll copy this and paste it here. Here somewhere we'll write 1000 because 1000 liters is to 1 kiloliters. So what we'll do, we'll copy this and select this range, Alt ES to bring the special screen, and we'll say divide. So we got it, and we get in this kiloliters format. Okay. Now here we have the students and the names. The students are horizontally placed and subject is on a vertical. But we want subjects to come in horizontal way and students name in the horizontal. So how do we do that? Copy Alt ES and you say transpose. Here you can see transpose and say OK. See, subjects have come here and students name have gone to top. Yeah. So this is how we do transpose. Values and formats. Now we look at values and format. Here if you see, it's a formula. We want the values here but without formula. So we'll copy and I say Alt ES. I say values here. So if you see here, Just put the value without formula. Here we don't have formula, it says only values. So any changes, it will not change. Now we got the values. We want the same format. So all the yes, and I say format. There's the format. Yeah, similar format, same format. It is input in this text. Now let's go to the, just the format. So I'll just copy what we did last without changing the value. All the years. I want only the format. Value should not change. So just only change the format, not the values. Yeah. Now here we have student's name. Okay. Here names are with initial, and these four students are hostel students: Suresh, Raju, Vidya, and Bindu. We want the comments which is updated in the comment. Same comment has to be put here. We can copy and paste, but if you copy and paste, uh, the sorry, the initials will go off. So we don't want the initials to go. We want to retain this same format, but only we need to copy the comments. So how do we do that? Just copy, and here bring it, and you say here we have comments. So only comments will be copied, nothing else. And if you see, yes, just copy the comments. Now, now we'll copy this as a link. That means I'll just show you what it means. Copy, and I say paste link. Now, what it does is it becomes a dynamic. That means when we change here, automatically this also changes. This you can copy and put it in a different worksheet or different sheet. And when you change the value here, the value automatically gets changed here. Yes. Now, you copy this as a picture. Now, it's a simple, just select the data, copy, and right click here. You have something here called picture. Yeah. Once you click picture, you can use this as a picture. Move it, resize it, increase the size. You can increase. You can use it in other applications, PowerPoint, Word, or any other application as an image. You can insert this as an image. Copy. Yeah. We'll go to. The last one, linked picture. Now we'll copy this and here we'll go as a linked picture. Now what does that mean? You can use this as a picture. You can copy this picture inside the same sheet or different sheets or different workbook. You can use as image. Okay, resize, put any borders, do as you would do with pictures, and at the same time you can do this is a linked one. That means if you change here, I change the value from 54 to 78. See, Ramesh, value has changed. The image is changed, but the value is dynamic. We can change this one. That's all for this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.